Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez, transparenttradesolutions.com on the 26th December, day after Christmas. Very light trading. We still have some stuff going on. Let's get right into the charts. Again, so subscribe to the newsletter and give me a thumbs up on the channel here. Let's get right into the charts. Metals, man, it's unbelievable, right? Platinum at an all-time high again, silver, gold, even copper getting into the party. We'll see how this all pans out. These are going to be ripe for a massive pullback coming up, probably maybe not until the early part of next year, which probably into not the following week, because remember, we still have three full trading days, 2026. Friday is the first official trading day, light volume, then the following week. But you never know. With these thin markets, anything and everything can happen. You know, silver is just ballistic. Gold, who knows how high they're going to go? Nobody knows really. But I do know that when they do pull back, it's going to be pretty vicious. I think sentiment is getting very extended. Oil getting hit today. So, lots of stuff going on, even as light trading and all that, which means if you're sitting this one out, one of the things I talked about my members is, if you're on the right side of these trades with a thin volume, that actually helps the momentum. So it's not all there. Nat gas, by the way, the oil inventories skip this week. They will come out on Monday, so it'll be interesting Monday on the energy space with rollover in nat gas, bumping right up against 4 on the February contract, which is the front month contract now. Indices just, meandering about, really not much to talk about. We still have all-time highs that we made on Friday. But really just not a lot there. There's some stocks under the surface. Nvidia making a nice move. We again, our group, we did go along that calls on Nvidia, and we probably will be taking profits on that probably by the end of the day. Um, Yields also jumping again. Yields all over the place, but a lot of very interesting. Again, today's you can say, well, it's low volume and whatever, but you still have to pay attention to what's happening because the algos are pretty much running the show today, but they sometimes preempt something that's maybe the markets are looking at. Also interesting today was the VIX jumping a little bit here. So the seasonals are kicking in. We'll see. We got 3 more days into the Santa Claus rally. So far, the market's stalled out, and I think a lot of this just has to do with a lot of the choppy trading in the AI trade. You've got a mixed bag in AI with Avago flat. Palantir's actually getting hit today. Uh, and so this is really interesting. We got even NVIDIA kind of trying to break out, but very tentative trading. And yeah, so it's really a mixed bag on the mega caps today. So I think that's what's really, are they going to kick into gear for New Year? We'll have to see again, and unless we have that going. Um, I don't think the averages are going to go anywhere. Sentiment is extremely bullish going into New Year, which leads me to believe uh, not necessarily that the market's going to go down, but I don't think we have a lot of upside until some of this bullishness gets wrung out of the market. In any event, we'll see what happens. And so for now, a lot of these moves, keep an eye on the metals and the energy space because those are going to be the key drivers coming up. I think it's been a year of uh, crazy moves in the metals and languishing energy prices. Whether that's going to reverse in the new year, that typically does happen. Everybody's finally chasing these. It's time for a reversal. But that said, you have to get some kind of reversal patterns on some of these metals because you just never know how high they're going to go. In any event, have a great weekend, and we will see you on Tuesday. Again, subscribe to the newsletter, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Take care.